So you can see right here in the overview section, it says that we'll have our quarterly benchmark assessment in the Begin Topic 12. So let's go into Monday's folder. To prepare for our benchmark assessment on Tuesday, I know that many of you are going to be coming on campus to complete that test. We are going to do a review on Monday. So during our live meeting at 9 o'clock, so in the morning, we will review math. And then I have attached some folders here that include pages and videos for more practice. So you guys can think about the different areas. These are the areas that are going to be tested and which areas you'd like to review if you choose to. For example, I'm going to open up area and perimeter. I know this is something that we've worked on like in the mornings, but you can see we have a video here. The teacher video will walk you through the examples that are found on this page. And then I've included some extra practice here if you choose to go back and revisit area and perimeter. So that is going to be the same format for each of these folders. So if there's a concept or a skill that we've done, like equivalent fractions or comparing fractions that you'd like to go back and review, just open the folder and you will find the materials there. On Tuesday, we know that you guys will be on campus taking our benchmark assessment, so we do not have anything additional to complete on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we're going to begin topic 12, which is relating fractions and decimals. So you have a video that you're going to follow along on pages 445 and 447. Then you have some independent practice. There is an exit ticket, and we will meet at 2 to go over these problems. On Thursday, we're going to continue our work with fractions and decimals. This time we're representing decimals on a number line. So you're going to follow along on pages 449 to 451. You do have some independent practice here, an exit ticket, and we will meet at 2 o'clock. Finally, on Friday, you are going to begin comparing decimals. So following along on pages 453 to 455, a few independent practice problems, 6 through 22. That sounds like a lot, but these are typically very quick, meaning students don't spend a whole lot of time on each problem. You do have an exit ticket, and we will meet at 2 o'clock. Let me know if you have any questions about this week in math.